Good afternoon everyone. Atong i-update rin traffic guys sa Minglanilla. Labor Day traffic situation Minglanilla. Pasok. Shout out na ko sa mga taga Minglanilla, solid supporters, subscribers. Update as traffic karong hapuna, adlaw Huwebes. Minglanilla traffic situation. Alas 5 sa hapon. Thank you for watching everyone. Mexico, thank you for watching. From Philippines, also India and Indonesia, thank you for watching. Update as traffic guys. May 1, Labor Day. Go signal ay. Minglanilla traffic situation. Pasok. Bye bye.